Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Beignet banane. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 3 ripe bananas, 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Don't forget 1 large egg, 1/2 cup of milk, and a small pinch of salt. Finally, have about 3 cups of vegetable oil ready for frying. This simple list ensures a perfect batch every time. Now let's prepare the batter. Start by mashing your ripe bananas in a large bowl until smooth. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, and baking powder. Then, add the egg and milk to your mashed bananas, mixing well. Gradually incorporate the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. Stir just until combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine and will result in a lighter texture. It's time to fry these delicious treats. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot or Dutch oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop spoonfuls of batter into the hot oil. Fry for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they are beautifully golden brown. Remember not to overcrowd the pot. Fry in small batches to maintain the oil temperature and ensure even cooking. Once fried, carefully remove the beignets from the oil using a slotted spoon and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. While they are still warm, generously dust them with powdered sugar. This adds a lovely sweetness and classic finish. Serve your homemade Beignet banane immediately and enjoy this delightful, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside treat. Bon appetit!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.